I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam app configuration unavailable error. So the first thing we want to do is open up the search bar, search for Task Manager and click on it. From here, click the search bar at the very top and search for Steam. If there are any Steam processes currently running in the background, just right click on them and then click Enter. So it'll look like this. Once you've done that, open up your file explorer and go to your local disk, program files 86, Steam, app cache, and then find appinfo.vdf and delete that file. Once you've done that, you now need to reopen Steam. It might take a little bit longer to load than normal after deleting that file. And then in the top left, click Steam and go to Settings. On the Downloads tab on the left, change your region to a different region. Obviously, you can change it back after everything is fixed. So if you live somewhere that only has one region, just do the second closest one to you and then change it back after it's fixed. Once you've done that, below this, click Clear Download Cache. It will ask you to log back into Steam once you've done this, and then just click Confirm. And then finally, the last thing we need to do is if we go to our library, find the game that is causing us the issue, right click on it, go to Properties, click Installed Files, and then select Verify Integrity of Game File. And your problem should now be fixed.